Hey Red Apple Girls, Ashley here. First, I just want to say happy spring to all of you. In this video, I'm going to be creating a spring makeup look using the lipstick in the shade called Petal Pusher. To get started, I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow in the shade called TuTu Cute, and I'm going to be applying this on my eyelids. To highlight the eyes, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow in the shade called Innocence, and I'm going to be applying this onto the inner corners of my eyes, and then I'm also going to sweep it up onto the brow bone as well. To complete the eyes, you can now apply the Lash Project mascara. And to finish off this look, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Petal Pusher lipstick. And this is the completed makeup look. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it and have a wonderful spring. Take care. Bye!